a high-quality multifunctional cutting tool with a strong clamping force and a wide variety of chip breakers. This is the KGT series. The strong clamping system ensures high-precision cutting with decreased vibration while machining. Excellent surface finish and stable machining are ensured by preventing even slight vibrations in multi-cutting, grooving, and turning applications. The KGT series chip breakers are designed to optimize the reduction of cutting forces and increase chip evacuation. The L chip breaker with its sharp edge design lowers cutting resistance. The R chip breaker with its reinforced edge is designed for interrupted and high feed cutting. The T chip breaker has an enhanced chip evacuating design ideal for grooving, turning, and most other machining applications. The C chip breaker with its unique geometry is ideal for profile machining applications. The KGT series with multiple chip breaker choices allow for a wide range of cutting conditions and types of workpieces. Multi-cutting performance of grooving and turning operations ensures high productivity and excellent cutting performance. This is the KGT series. The multi-purpose performance of the KGT series is further expanded with the use of Carlo's multi-purpose grades PC 5300 and NC 5330, which provide excellent tool life in machining a variety of materials like carbon steels, stainless steels, cast irons, and many others. The KGT series ensures stable machining in deep grooving due to the excellent chip evacuation design. The KGT series provides improved processing speed, high precision, and excellent surface finishes to help ensure longer tool life. Applying the KGT Optimal Multi-Purpose Chip Breaker can reduce the number of tool paths and help you achieve higher productivity and cost efficiency. The KGT series offers a variety of machining solutions for external, internal, and relief turning, as well as face grooving. Achieve higher productivity and excellent cutting performance in all your multi-turning applications. Increase your productivity with the multi-purpose performance of Carlo's KGT series.